don't even have batteries in here. Useless.
Hey, William, this water's awesome. Did you want some?
Yes. Useless!
Can I have some? Can I have a Sprite and some Doritos, please?
That'll be $1.
You can keep the change.
It's useless!
Dude, I have no gas.
What do you mean you don't have any gas?
I don't know. I thought it was going to work without gas.
Obviously, a car needs gas to run.
Oh, I did not know that.
Useless!
Hey!
Welcome to the ACTs. Name, please.
Pauly D.
Pencils. Check. Name, sir.
Abraham Lincoln.
Pencils. Welcome, your name. Billy Walton. Pencils. Name.
Kenham.
Pencils. Check. Name, sir.
Deshaun.
Pencils. Useless.